Hi Otters, I'm Cecilia with the Technology Help Desk, and these are your tech tips for Tuesday, courtesy of the Division of Information Technology here at CalState Monterey Bay. This week, we would like to review tech support. Did you know you have a client portal, which is your home page for tech support here at CSUMB? It's powered by Team Dynamics, and it allows us to present our service catalog and knowledge base articles. The best part is it's always open, even when the Technology Help Desk is not. So, let's go over some best practices for getting the help you need using the client portal. You can access your client portal two ways: right from your CSUMB dashboard by clicking More Apps and then locating Tech Support IT tickets in the list. You can also get into it directly from the IT website by going to csumb.edu/IT and clicking on the Tech Support pull-down menu and selecting Client Portal. Both pathways lead to your homepage for tech support. Now, let's talk about 3 features that we hope will improve your experience with IT. Look up in the top right for the search bar that allows you to search the client portal. You can use this box to search both services, which leads to pages where you can submit service tickets, as well as our knowledge base, which contains self-help articles. Just type what you are looking for in the box, such as account password. By default, your results will contain both service and knowledge base articles. You can filter your search by clicking on the world icon and selecting either knowledge base or service catalog. Another feature of Team Dynamics is going directly to the service catalog by clicking Services in the blue horizontal navigation bar at the top. You can then search the catalog by categories. Click on a category like this one. Some might have subcategories, or others will go straight to a list of services to select from, where you can then submit an IT ticket. Our knowledge base can also be clicked on in the blue horizontal navigation bar, and much like services, has a list of categories, all of which contain our self-help articles. Select a category, much like you did for the service catalog. Within each category, you will get a list of our knowledge base articles for that category. Some will even have pinned articles on the top, which is where we keep the most important articles about this category. We are always testing our interfaces to improve your experience, and Team Dynamics is no different. Check the IT website or the client portal for the latest usability test. Thank you for watching our Tech Tip Tuesday for this week. You can also visit us on the web at csumb.edu/IT or follow us on social media on Twitter and Instagram at CSUMB_IT. Feel free to send us your suggestions for future topics via our social media.